be shooting the first video for this channel once again. Now for all of you who have been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been creating videos as a hobby for like quite some time now. Now I've got this one friend of mine who wanted to create travel videos for YouTube, and he was like, do you want to come make videos with me? And obviously I said yes, so let's get into it. My name is Vaibhav and I hope you like the content that I create. So the thing is that we finally got... One second. So the thing is that we finally got permission to fly the drone over here. We came into a little bit of cop trouble earlier. So the thing is, we were lucky enough to find like these bunch of cops over here. They're just chilling around. But I just thought that they were cops, and we went up to them and asked if we could fly the drone over here. And they said, yes, like go ahead, fly the drone till we're here. So we're going to be getting some dope shots, which you would be seeing right about now. I don't know if you can hear me because there's quite a lot of wind over here, but we're just waiting for the sun to set now. Once it sets, we're basically done for today. That's the only thing we came here to chase. That's the only thing. That's kind of like the... Oh, fuck off. So yeah, the sunset is kind of like the only thing we came here to chase, and I'm falling down. We got that sunset, and slacklining is what we came here to do, and take some dope shots from the sky. Those were the cops that allowed us to like just fly till the time that they're here. So the condition for flying the drone over here was that we can fly it and do whatever the hell you want to do as long as they are around over here so that they can monitor us. But now that they're gone, we have to land the drone. So I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna take some more pictures. This is also kind of like the first time that I came so far out from home in the last, I don't know, 6 months maybe. Yeah, last time I went out was in Feb, so yeah, more than 6 months. The thing about drone laws in India is that there's no, I don't know, it says something on the internet and the reality of the drone laws is something completely different. Plus, there's no regulation, so if you get caught flying a drone, they can just basically harass you and ask you for as much money as you want, because obviously you don't want to end up in jail. So that's what kind of happened with us in the afternoon. But over here we were lucky. The afternoon we were just trying to take some stupid shots on the road. We ended up paying a fine for that. But yeah, we definitely have much better shots over here. फिर से बोल जो बोल रहा था। अबे यार